In this lecture, you will learn two very important things. How to collect data for your Facebook ads so that you can precisely target your niche user, and how to steal your competitor's client. You are going to learn what sort of age group, gender that your competitors are targeting so that you can copy and paste that exact data and promote your products to your competitors' customer. First of all, just go to Create button on the top of your Facebook page and click on Create. It will bring you to the Ads Manager. Click the button on the top over here and click on All Tools. Look for Inside Tools. This is where you are going to get all the information that needed to build a successful Facebook ads. I will need you to have your pen and paper ready, as you need to jot down a lot of information that you need to put on your ads creation later on. You get to see a lot of information over here. Do not worry, we will not need to use all of this, but there are a few areas that we particularly need to pay extra attention. Locations. Location targeting on Facebook simply allows us to tell Facebook the relevant geographic locations where we would like to show our ads. Typically, we will only want to target one or maximum of two locations for our products. Targeting more than that will make your ads inefficient, and also you will be spending a lot of money on it. Age group. This is the age group that you want to target on selling your products, and we are going to leave this from 18 to any for now. Gender. This is also a very important element in the Facebook ads. Interest. This is where we get to select our competitors and also steal their clients. It will be best that you have the name of your competitor's Facebook page ready, as we are going to use it in this session. For example, let's put Malaysia and United States on the locations. Age is at 18 to any. So for example, I'm selling an affiliate marketing software, so I will be only want my ads to target users that are interested in affiliate marketing. So I will be putting in affiliate marketing over here. As you can see over here, people that are interested in affiliate marketing in Malaysia and United States are those that are around age 28 to 44 for both gender. From here, you also get to see all sorts of information such as job title, relationship title, and education level. Let's go to the page like tab. Over here, you also get to see what sort of page likes that these users are interested in as well. Now, I want to do a bit more details targeting, where I only want to target Malaysia. Another thing that I know about my business is that I know about my competitors. Pat Flynn is a very famous affiliate marketer, so I would like to sell my products to his customer as well, as I know that his customer will be interested in learning more about affiliate marketing as well. So I'm just going to type in Pat Flynn and select his page. Not every business you can find it over here. That's why it will be very important if you can list out a few of your competitors' name over here, just in case some of them are not listed over here. So as you can see, the numbers change. In this example, the things that I would like to write down for my Facebook ad setups will be locations, will be Malaysia, age group 25 to 34, 38% are women's, 35 to 44 age groups, 23% are women's, 25 to 34, 43% are men, and 35 to 44, 25% are men. And the interest will be affiliate marketing and also smart passive income with Pat Flynn. So these are the information that I will collect for my later Facebook setups if I am selling an affiliate marketing products. What you need to do now is to do a research of your products and jot down all the information needed. Well, let's get it done. Remember, nothing will happen just by watching this video. So let's take action now.